Imagine a life where every step you take is purposeful, every choice aligned with your deepest desires. In a world where work-life balance is often elusive, mastering the art of goal setting can be your compass to a harmonious and fulfilled existence. Dive into this beginner's course to goal setting to discover how setting clear goals across key life areas can transform not just your career, but your entire well-being. Other channels will ask you to buy their training classes for this type of information. We're not asking for anything except if you enjoy the video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel. Now back to the video. Today we have a bonus for you. Please keep watching to the end of the course for our special inventory list of next steps. You don't want to miss that. For a while, many workers thought they could keep their job life separate from everything else. They mainly focused on their careers and sometimes ignored family and personal stuff. But over time, people started to see things differently. They believed it's important to see someone as more than just their job. They said that being happy means looking at all parts of life, not just work. While this new way of thinking is good, it's also super important to remember one thing: setting clear goals. When we set goals that balance work with personal life, we can find real happiness and success. What is balance? Maintaining balance in our lives is crucial for overall well-being and happiness. Recognizing and addressing our diverse needs is essential. Here are 7 key areas to consider. Mental. This relates to cognitive functions such as memory, focus, learning abilities, creativity, logical thinking, and mathematical skills. Physical. This encompasses overall health, body composition, physical skills, agility, and stamina. Family. This focuses on our relationships with those we consider family. Social. This pertains to interactions and relationships outside of our family and workplace. Spiritual. This involves our connection with our spiritual beliefs or philosophical values and humanitarian concerns. Career. This refers to our engagement and progression in our chosen profession, both during work hours and beyond. Financial. This deals with managing our money matters and meeting financial responsibilities. Just like how various parts of nature rely on each other, the parts of our lives are connected too. If one part isn't going well, it can affect the rest. For example, if we're having money problems, it can make us feel down, affect our health, and cause issues with family and friends. This idea is similar to holistic medicine, which looks at everything about a person, not just one thing. We all have unique needs at various times in our lives. Sometimes we might focus more on work, while other times we might think more about our family or spiritual growth. But it's not good to forget about any part of our lives completely. Even if one area is super important right now, we should still pay some attention to the others. If we want a successful career and a happy life, it's important to have balance. This means setting clear goals for every part of our life. The significance of setting goals. By knowing what we want in each area, we can make plans and take steps to get closer to our goals. There's a saying that goes, "If you don't know where you're going, any road will take you there." Without goals, individuals might feel adrift in various aspects like emotions, relationships, spirituality, health, and career. On the other hand, those with clear aims often earn respect for their determination and foresight. Making intentional choices that guide our lives displays our inner strength. Consider a young individual whose dream of becoming an astronaut steered him away from distractions like drugs and legal troubles. His commitment led him to the U.S. Air Force Academy and a degree in engineering. Such stories underline how goals can shape our paths, giving our efforts purpose and direction. Individuals with well-defined goals often radiate confidence and determination. They seem driven, channeling their energy towards achieving milestones. In contrast, those without clear goals might feel stagnant, lacking direction. Recent research highlights the connection between goal setting and productivity. People actively pursuing and checking their goals tend to be more productive and satisfied in their careers. Even in settings like factories, introducing clear incentives can enhance worker efficiency. This underscores the principle. When individuals see tangible benefits or rewards tied to their goals, their motivation intensifies. Action plan. Many experts stress the importance of documenting goals and the steps to accomplish them. Putting goals on paper solidifies our commitment, increasing the likelihood of achieving them. By outlining our aspirations, we're better prepared to navigate life's challenges and make informed decisions. In essence, setting goals is like charting a course through life's vast ocean. When we define our values and aspirations, pathways to success become clearer. These aren't mere illusions but tangible routes, guiding us towards a harmonious and purposeful life. Guidelines for effective goal setting. It's crucial for setting goals for progress, but there's a method to doing it effectively. Here's a concise guide to setting goals that work. Personal. Ensure the goal matters to you personally, not just something others expect. Positive. Frame goals in a positive way to guide your focus. Written. Put your goals down on paper to make them tangible and boost commitment. Specific. Be clear about what you want to achieve, avoiding vague statements. Challenging. Aim for goals that push you out of your comfort zone. Realistic. While aiming high, ensure your goals are achievable based on your values and current circumstances. So what are the steps needed to setting and achieving goals? Define your goal. Clearly write your goal at the top of your worksheet, ensuring it aligns with the above characteristics. Find obstacles. Recognize potential challenges and devise ways to overcome them. Figure out motivation. Understand the reasons driving your goal to stay motivated. Plan action steps. Break down your goal into actionable steps, setting a clear path forward. Set a deadline. Set up a realistic time for achieving your goal. Measure success. Define how you'll determine when you've achieved your goal, focusing on specific outcomes. Why you should create a goal tracker. Setting goals is a crucial step towards achieving success in any area of life. However, merely setting them isn't enough. You need a way to track your progress and stay accountable. That's where a goal tracker comes into play. Visualization and reminder. Having a physical tracker helps in visualizing your goals. When you see your goals written down and organized, it serves as a daily reminder of what you're working towards. This visual cue can keep you motivated, especially on days when you feel like giving up. Stay on track daily by placing your tracker in a prominent location, like your workspace or bedroom. You're constantly reminded of your objectives. This frequent reminder ensures that your goals are still a priority, pushing you to take consistent action towards them. Celebrate small wins. One of the advantages of a goal tracker is the ability to mark off achievements as you progress. Every time you achieve a milestone, no matter how small, you get the satisfaction of marking it on your tracker. This act of celebration boosts morale and encourages you to continue working towards the next milestone. Clarity and commitment. A goal tracker supplies clarity. It breaks down your overarching goals into actionable steps, making them more manageable and less daunting. Moreover, by recording your progress, you're making a commitment to yourself. It's a tangible way to hold yourself accountable. Effective strategy. Goal setting isn't just about dreaming, it's about creating a plan and taking steps to realize those dreams. A tracker helps in strategizing. As you update it regularly, you can evaluate what's working, what's not, and adjust your strategies accordingly. While setting goals is the first step towards achievement, monitoring and tracking your progress through a goal tracker ensures that you are still focused, motivated, and committed to your aspirations. By actively engaging with your goals daily, you increase your chances of turning your dreams into reality. Visualization is a powerful technique that can help you reach your goals by mentally rehearsing your successes. Whether you're an athlete or someone aiming for a workplace award, visualization can be a game changer. First, find a quiet spot. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and relax. Second, engage your senses. Sight. Picture the setting. See colleagues, the venue, and the award ceremony unfolding. Sound. Imagine the sounds, laughter, music, and congratulatory words. Smell. Envision the scents around you. Perfumes, food, and floral decorations. Touch. Feel the crowd, handshakes, and the texture of the award. Taste. Imagine the flavor of the celebratory drink and food. Focus especially on the exhilaration of hearing your name called for the award. The clearer and more vivid your visualization, the more motivating it becomes. Bonus tip: create a visualization file filled with reminders of past achievements, photos, or any mementos that inspire you. Use it as a pick-me-up whenever you need a boost. Remember, celebrating past successes can fuel future ones. Role models play a significant role in guiding us towards our goals and aspirations. These individuals, whether contemporary or from the past, embody qualities and traits that we admire and wish to emulate. By studying their characteristics and behaviors, we can gain insights that can help us on our own paths to success. Key points on role models. Choosing wisely. Select individuals whose accomplishments and personalities resonate with you. They can be from various fields or eras, but what's essential is your familiarity with their achievements and traits. Avoid idealizing. While it's natural to hold these role models in high regard, it's crucial not to view them as flawless or beyond human. Recognize that everyone, no matter how accomplished, has their strengths and weaknesses. Find strengths. Instead of trying to replicate every aspect of your role model's life, pinpoint specific qualities or habits that contribute to their success. These are the traits you can adapt and incorporate into your own journey. Stay true to yourself. While it's beneficial to adopt positive traits from role models, it's equally important to maintain your individuality. Aim to integrate these qualities into your unique personality rather than trying to become an exact replica of someone else. Multiple role models approach. Rather than focusing on a single role model, consider examining the traits of several individuals you admire. This approach offers a broader perspective and helps prevent the pitfalls of overly idealizing one person. By seeing and documenting the virtues of multiple role models, especially those in your field or area of interest, you can derive more actionable insights relevant to your journey. To extract the most value from your role models, consider the following inquiries. How would they navigate challenges similar to mine? What daily practices do they follow to foster growth and inch closer to their goals? What mindset or perspective do they support in various situations? How do they balance different sides of their lives, and how does this balance contribute to their overall well-being? Which of their traits resonate most with me, and how can I incorporate them into my life? Which traits should I prioritize integrating into my life now, and which can wait for later? By critically evaluating and learning from multiple role models, you can craft a more holistic and personalized approach to achieving your goals. Think of role-playing as a rehearsal for real-life situations where you can apply practice of your goals and action plans. As an example, political candidates prepare for debates against challengers with mock debates with internal staff role-playing what their opponents might say or react to different points. Imagine wanting to become more confident in public speaking. By role-playing, you can practice addressing an audience in a simulated setting. Whether you're alone or with a friend, you can act out your speech, practice maintaining eye contact using confident gestures and modulating your voice. This hands-on approach helps you become more comfortable and skilled, ensuring that when the actual presentation comes, you're better prepared and less anxious. Writing down your goals and action plans can be a significant change in achieving success. When you document your goals, it supplies a clear roadmap of what you want to accomplish, breaking down larger aspirations into actionable steps. First, document your primary goal. Start by articulating your main goal. Choose something that deeply motivates you. Daily growth. Name 5 key personal qualities or traits you need to nurture or develop to reach your goal. Action plan. Specify the daily tasks or actions you'll undertake to make progress. For example, if your aim is better physical fitness, you might commit to a daily exercise routine. Revisiting and reflecting on these written goals regularly, ideally both in the morning and before bed, helps reinforce your commitment and tracks your progress. As you achieve and internalize these habits, you can update and set new challenges for yourself. In the past, many believed they could separate their work and personal lives, focusing heavily on careers. However, newer generations emphasize that true happiness comes from balancing all life aspects. This balance covers 7 key areas: mental, physical, family, social, spiritual, career, and financial. Neglecting one area can affect others, highlighting the need for a comprehensive approach. Clear goal setting is essential. Without goals, individuals might feel directionless. Goals not only supply direction but also motivate and give purpose. Those with clear aims often earn respect for their determination. Research shows that setting and monitoring goals can boost productivity and satisfaction. Writing down goals solidifies commitment, guiding individuals toward success. Visualizing success in role-playing scenarios can help in real-life situations. Writing down goals, along with a clear action plan, enhances clarity and commitment, increasing the likelihood of achieving them. Achieving a harmonious balance across various facets of life and setting clear, actionable goals are pivotal steps toward genuine fulfillment and success. By recognizing the interconnectedness of our aspirations, nurturing inner strengths, and actively engaging with our objectives, we pave the way for a purpose-driven journey. As we navigate life's challenges and opportunities, let us remember the profound impact of positive thinking, visualization, and continuous self-reflection. With commitment, clarity, and resilience, we not only shape our paths, but also inspire those around us to pursue their dreams with vigor and purpose. Here's that bonus we promised: a quick recap of key characteristics of goal setting and the next steps. You can pause the video here to take notes or a screenshot. We hope this helps you on your goal-setting journey. Please let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe so we can continue to bring you great videos. Thanks for watching.